Hey guys, okay, so we are here. Thank you for those people who submitted their solutions. We're going to go through the questions together right now just to kind of make sure that everybody understands what the answers were and why they got those answers and stuff like that. I also wanted to say that we're going to do a Google Meet tomorrow, probably around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Or anywhere between 1 and 2. Just I have a fun activity to do with the plot things that you guys were doing with your movie posters. So let's get started. Question number 1 said, a plumber charges $55 an hour for service. So he charges $55 an hour. For service, call plus $35 per hour. So, sorry, he charges for the service call, and this is per hour. So if the plumber's bill was, the total was $160, how many hours did he work? Okay, so the first thing you would need to do was, you know that your total is $160, so I'm going to write that after the equal sign. And then you have to ask yourself, okay, what changes and what doesn't change? And this is kind of the concept that I want you to go with going forward in algebra, is always ask yourself, okay, what doesn't change no matter what, and what does change? Well, if it's something per hour, I promise you it's going to be the one that changes, okay? So we will write that as our variable. So 35, and we'll make that, we'll make it H, right, per hour. I did not do that in line. Sorry, guys. That's going to bug my fake OCD. So 35H plus, I didn't do it in line again, geez, 55, right? The 55 for the service call doesn't change. You're going to get charged no matter what, whether he works on your stuff or not, you're going to get the $55, okay? And then it's simply what we've been working on the entire time, 160 minus 55, right? I'm bringing that over, and 35 hours. 160 minus 55 is 105, 35 hours, and divided by 35, and divided by 35. And per hour, he worked 3 hours, right? Okay, so that's the first question on the quiz. The next question on the quiz, I'm just going to move over a little bit, maybe erase this actually, because you guys can just rewind. So I'll just do everything on one page just to make it easier. The length of a rectangle, so I'm going to draw out my rectangle. The length of a rectangle is twice the width. So this is 2W, and this is W. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 units, find the area of the garden, right? So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to do the following. I know that I have 2W and W. So if 6W equals 60, right, then I know that I have to multiply by, you know, the length times the width to get the area, right? So the length is 2W times the width. If I know that the perimeter, if I know that the perimeter is 60, then I'm going to do divide by 6, sorry guys, and I'm going to find out that the width is 10. So if I know that